Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we did an unboxing on the floor. And for this video, we are doing exactly that. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at unboxing this package, a consolidation from buy and ship. And I'm trying to determine which is the best point of entry. And this might be it. So it's been a while since we had a big package like this. The reason being, I waited for the items to come to my virtual warehouses. Okay, waited until the last moment. Okay, so usually, if you have not tried buy and ship, you are given like 30 days, I think, so that your items are kept for free in the warehouse. And then after the 30 days, it's gonna be charged additionally per day. Okay, so in this case, some of my items arrived earlier than the others. So I decided I'll just wait it out and see how many of my other items I can consolidate up until the first one that arrived reach its limits. Okay, so that's why it ended up being quite a big package that I also can't seem to open. I'm ripping the box now. Okay, so I always have a hard time with this sort of things. That's why I also don't consolidate them. I don't make it too big because I know it's gonna be a mystery to aray. Sorry, I almost hurt myself there. To unbox. There we go. There we go. This seems to be the weak spot. Okay. We want to be careful because we don't want to cut through any of the boxes from the inside. Okay. We're using our raw strength, which is not super. Okay, but we do have a point of entry. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, so just be patient with me. And this consolidates a couple of things from eBay, then a couple of things from WizKids, and then a couple of things from Oxit. So all our favorite places to get products. So we've got it all in this particular box. If we can just open it, and I think we are almost there. There we go. We see plastic, and that's a good sign. So I'm gonna put it on the side, okay, so that you don't see me struggle anymore than you already have as I open this item. Okay, so we're keeping it raw. That's why I won't just cut the video. Okay, I want you to experience it with me. There. Okay. So again, thank you for staying up to this part of the video. Took us a record almost 4 minutes. And let's see, the first item that we have here is, the one from WizKids store. We're starting off strong with a Joker Sword. Okay, so this was purchased in the WizKids virtual convention. Okay, I don't have this yet, but I do have all the other dinosaurs from Masters of Time. So I'm thinking to keep this for my collection, or maybe sell that as a set. Okay, so we'll think about that in the future. Okay, but I'm glad to have him. We also have Killer Moth. Okay, we purchased this together with the Joker Sword. Okay, so we had to because we want to reach the $50 uh, promo promo price. Okay, because when you purchase $50 or more, then you get to have a promo item, which is in this case Krampus. Okay, and then we also have here Zombie Unicorn. Okay, and then the next one that we have, okay, are a couple of things. We have the Beetlejuice Sandworm and another Beetlejuice Sandworm. Okay, because you can purchase two of these from the WizKids store. We're gonna look at that in a separate video. And then yeah, we also got the same set of promo items, Zombie Unicorn and Krampus. Okay, that would probably be for pricing in our games. And then from Oxit, we have this one. We have Baby Groot. Okay, the Baby Groot LE exclusive figure. Okay, so we got a good price for that in the Oxit. And then we have a box. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. I love it when there's a box inside a box because that means there's more to unlock. And this contains, okay, smaller box are easier of course to unbox. Pretty straightforward. And we have, oh, sorry. Okay, that's the problem with unboxing on the floor. Okay. So we have the Joker fish. This was also from the Oxit, although this is my third one, probably for pricing. We have the Joker Goon and another Joker Goon carrying the fish. Okay, probably have them as a set with the fish equipment. Then some paper wrappings here. Some more. This one for my collection, definitely. Multiple Man MVP 204. Okay, I know that the DWX is already rotating, but this should be still legal. And yeah, for 40 points, this is good. And we try to collect all X-Men. So we want that. And papers, and papers. Yeah, that's it. So those are my hauls for this particular video. Okay, outro coming up. So thank you very much for watching. And what do you guys think? Share your thoughts on the comments. Bye!